Hi. I think dried out brushes are pretty common. You use it one time, then you forget about it, and the next thing you know is that you need a new one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a reasonable solution that you may very well find useful. Simply pierce a leather clamp and a handle, and then just do this. And that's pretty much it. Then you just need to need a piece of foam rubber, and you're set to paint. When you're done, you can just get rid of it and next time use another one. What's bad about softwood is that it may deform over time, and to fix that you usually have to polish it quite a bit. So that would be the usual solution. There is, however, a reasonable alternative. You can just iron it out, just like you do with your clothes. All you need is a wet piece of cloth. So as you can see, it's great in a lot more fast and convenient way. Good as new. There are many ways to protect and keep your cables in check. One of them would be to use this spiral wrap thing. What'd you say? Looks a lot better this way, doesn't it? And by the way, you can easily make these just by using simple plastic bottles. And for that matter, you should use this kind of a bottle cutter. Quite simple, as you can see. There's a cut in the bar as well as a knife blade on top. Also, I use this file as a sort of holder. So what I do is I fix the bottle like so, and then I just do this. And then, using something of a proper diameter, like this pipe for example, you sort of sit it down while simmering it a little. Then just keep on coiling it bit by bit and you'll get the proper result. When you work with angular sizes, sliding T-bevel may seem like a necessity. You can, however, make a reasonable simulation simply by using pieces of cardboard. And again, you can put them together by using almost anything, be it a glue or adhesive tape. So, not long ago I had an urge to drill some stuff, and the trouble was that I only had a light bulb at my disposal. So what I decided to do is to make an adapter, and the burnout light bulb was something I could use. I also needed a socket and a piece of wire. So first of all I emptied the light bulb, then I soldered the wire to the cap. One right here, and another one over there. So all there's left to do now is to pierce the bottom of the socket and connect the wires. And then you just glue the remains of the light bulb together. Let's check it out. Okay, there we go. Looks like we're ready to drill. And finally, I want to show you something I use when I do the painting. So first of all, you'll need 4 screws. Notice that you should leave a bigger distance to make sure that you have enough space for one more. And another one goes to an end. To cover up the hole later, you can simply drip a drop of paint on it. So there you go. Now you can twist and turn the thing without worrying that it'll go loose. Okay, that's all for now. I really hope that you found something interesting today, and as always, I'd be very glad if you could share your thoughts in the comments. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.